crafty people. In this video, we're going to be talking about knitting abbreviation BET, which stands for between. So in the swatch here, I've got my 2 ring stitch markers. You can find those on my site if you're interested. They're handy dandy. I've got the 2 stitch markers, and let's say the pattern says place a stitch marker in these particular places, this many stitches in, and in between those stitches you will do lace like I did here. It could be between increasing rows, you'll do these steps. Between changing your color, do these steps. So it could be anything. It is pattern specific, and they will tell you exactly what this abbreviation refers to, but overall BET stands for between.